Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the unit and power source. Plug USB-C or confirm battery above 50% so you have full runtime. Next, position the Vanzo Mini Vent on a flat, stable surface so intake and exhaust are clear. This avoids airflow restriction and noise. Once done, inspect for shipping clips or film and remove them, then press and hold the power button until LEDs light. That immediate action gets the fan motors spinning and the device into ready mode. Once powered, set your operating mode and speed. Tap the touch dial to cycle between speeds 1 through 3 for different airflow levels. Make sure to test auto versus manual modes so you understand how the sensor adapts. Hold the dial for 2 seconds to lock a mode and prevent accidental changes. Also adjust the hinge angle or clip mount and tighten until the unit grips firmly. A stable mount reduces vibration and maintains consistent airflow during extended use. To finish, set the timer or pair the app so schedules run automatically. Syncing saves you from manual control. For maintenance, clean the filter and intake every 2 to 4 weeks with a soft brush or compressed air to preserve airflow and efficiency. If the unit won't start, first check the cable and try a different USB port, then perform a 10-second power button reset. If the LEDs flash but no fan, reseat the internal plug and contact support as a last step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.